Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a function f of x such that it is equals 3x minus 6, and we have been given another value of x, which is p, such that the f of p is equals 3. Now if you compare f of x with f of p, then we will observe that in this case x is equals p. So when x is equals p, then the value of the function is 3. So let's substitute x equals p in this equation. So it will become 3p minus 6 equals 3. Shift minus 6 to the right hand side, so it will become plus 6. So 3 plus 6 will give us 9. Therefore 3p will be equals 9. Now divide both sides of the equality by 3. So we will have p equals 9 upon 3, which is nothing but 3. Therefore the value of p will be equals 3, and thus this will be our final required answer. Thank you.